Grey Cliff Lodge has been one of the iconic Ogden Canyon restaurants for over 75 years, but did you know it was originally a private home? It was built in 1912 as the summer home for Annie Taylor Dee, a visionary who helped establish the first nursing program in Weber County. Annie had the home constructed with 6 separate apartments, 3 apartments on either side of a central living space, all connected by verandas to accommodate her daughters and their families. Upstairs were additional bedrooms for Grandma Dee and her only son, Laurie. You can see the classic arts and crafts design in the graceful roof, exposed rafter tails and gables, and the cedar shingles outside. With our majestic mountains as its backdrop, it's easy to see why it became a favorite venue for local organizations to meet. Grey Cliff Lodge was home to Ogden's Ladies Literary Club, Martha Society, and in 1921 it welcomed 100 delegates from the General Federation of Women's Clubs. Its cobblestone gate still welcomes visitors to Grey Cliff Lodge just as it did 110 years ago.